Sanibonani Mzansi. Today we have a serious one. Chairman, we are scouting italent abafethu njengoba nazi ukuthi as isicelo sports development we all about development yeingane with football to be specific. Kodwa manje ke sibulala uthando lweingane ebholeni. Angihambi ke ngedwa guys njengoba lihlezi nazi. Msholozi
ngiyabingelela abaleleli. I want to greet everyone and say we really have an issue that we want to deal with today.
Yes, Msholozi. Asingene kuyona nje ngalokho esidonsisa. Sike sibone lapha yana ukuthi abantwana balithola uthando, bayithola support as early as they are go 9 kanjalo as young as they are.
Yes.
But when they turn around 16 kuya lapha yako under 17 18 ngiyebona ngathi umdlandli abaphelela abantwana la khona kumele ngabe they are at the peak of game time yabo and being professional ngendlela yokuchoose and make choices nala kumele ngabe bayithola khona support enkulu. Yini edala ukuthi baleke iattendance especially gymini, also playing ama games and so forth?
Yeah, we have an issue, Shamas, with burnout. We think ama players wethu most often say I'm a professional, whereas they are not. So what happens is that we see it decline enkulu kubantwana when they are 12, and then when they go to 16 years old, sibona ingane ezingasathanda ukuza. So I believe ukuthi it's the love of the game iyaphela kubona, because they play so many games, and inkinga enkulu is the coaching in between when they playing those games kuze kugcine kuphela uthando kubona.
Okay, so when Msholozi as an ex-pro uqale nini we notice noma ukuyibona burnout it's under 15 or kuwena nje personally kweyakhe development to share the experience?
I think let decline uyibona at the age of 16 kakhulu.
Okay.
Where abantwana uthola ukuthi at under 11 baba baningi, under 12 baba baningi, under 13 baba baningi, but it decline iqala kakhulu at those ages because uthola ukuthi abazali nabo they stop letting ingane zabo zize gymini. They are thinking now ukuthi ingane zabo zize zodwa, and you find out ukuthi ingane is losing the love of the game because suddenly as emncane ubedlala kakhulu and he did so many mistakes and wabukwa manje ukuthi ayingeke yabo ngiyayeka lento. Most of the kids that we're losing out, we're not losing them to teams njengamazulu or Golden Arrows or whatever, but siluza lama players because of the love abagcina sebeluze lona uthando lebhola, being overcoached and also being overlooked at that age. Umuntu wenza mistake uthola ukuthi uthethiswa kuze kovalwa, and that's what I believe lenza the decline ibe ngaka when it comes to those ages.
Okay, shuthi ngamanye amazwi noma ngamafuphi ingane ziyadinga ukuthi zike zibe ne session whereby they are left alone and do their own individual
in most cases Shama sekulaba abadala they need to be encouraged ukuthi ukhulume nabo yabo.
Okay.
Ukuthi what do they want yabo, what do they want, and also ube ne emphasis that school is very important so that bezokwazi ukuthi ene bakwazi ukunderstand ukuthi kwenziwani, and also ba rest, they must have rest in between because they are not yet professionals, and also ba allow ukwenza ama mistake and kube ibona abakhulumayo most of the time. Ungabe wena okhuluma nabo kodwa kube ukuthi niyakhulumisana, because some of the things that are happening manje iyona le egcina ukuthi abantwana basiyeke isport.
Okay. Sampe masikhuluma ngokuresta ngiseza kumbuzo wami olandelayo wesithathu. They need to rest how? Kwi training session or ama game abamele banikwe wona mele abelesa? Can you clarify lapho ukuthi? How they rest?
They need to have a rest in their trainings as well. They can train isikhathi esithile, but also bayakwazi ukurest. They need isikhathi sokurest. They need time to study. And also uma bezobhala ama exam, they must be exempt from coming to training.
Okay.
Unless umntwana uthi I will come for few minutes and then I go just to activate ingqondo. But most of the time don't make it a mandate ukuthi umntwana mebhala kufanele gym. Ulo is losing something mangabe engeze gymini where it's a ball. School must also be priority so that they can grow knowing ukuthi what is it that they want to do, because once you start doing that it means good manje usuba treat as if they are professionals. Only professionals must be treated like professionals. These kids must be treated in a manner that they are still doing and being able to do mistake freely and being able ukuthi bazi ukuthi uma benza iphutha bazokwazi ukuxolelwa ngephutha abalenzile.
Yeah, okay. No, it makes a lot of sense, Msholozi. Hlampe for a parent who's watching, sitting at home, bukela iTech2 TV njengamanje, hlampe mangathiwa sichaza iburnout ne?
Yeah.
What does burnout look like for parents listening or watching currently? Hlampe it's not about laziness, ukulimala, singayichaza kanjani?
Yeah, burnout is where umntwana start making excuses. He will start saying, Coach, I'm injured. I mean, like, Mom, I cannot come to training. I've got a headache. I'm not feeling good. I've got an injury. I've got so much work that I need to do. And wazi ke ukuthi lo mntwana is entering in third zone because akafuni ukukutshela, but he wants to make sure ukuthi uba ne excuse right so that engezukwazi ukuya ejimini. So that child is showing ukuthi uthando lebhola liyancipha. He must be the one or she must be the one that wakes you up in the morning aye khona afuna ukuze grounding. Kodwa uma ngabe sekuqale le nto eyenzakalayo, that's why you see a child that said mama mina ngifuna ukuya lapha, because it's either he's overcoached or is overshouted at or something like that.
Okay. Guys, I hope you are taking notes. Mase kuyinini nilandela abantwana ngemuva ubona ukuthi siya strike i-burnout. Msholozi kake sihlehle mhlambe ethi your early childhood, namhlanje ngifuna lokho esireflecta nje sithinta wena kancane phinde sishare in general. Ngiyazi ngeke usakhumbula sekudala kakhulu. But around your age mhlawumbe usako 13 mawuzokhumbula kahle, how many games did you play per week? 3 games?
I remember correctly, most of the time thina besidlala sodwa, we didn't have a coach then.
Okay.
Umuntu bezofika on the weekend coach, but most of the time we were playing alone. Sidlala lento ekuthiwa umajika korel, where you dribble everyone in order for you to score, and then once you score you're going to be a keeper. And then after that, how many times are you scoring and whatnot, how many times did you become a keeper and you saved. So a lot of those things were done previously, but manje ibhola selingenela business. So everyone wants to win, everyone is pushing for a next cup. Everyone is saying that if you didn't win this game, this is what the implication will be. So everyone is pushing the winning. Kanti the winning but must be the smile of a kid, where a kid is smiling and saying that, ish, coach, today I've learned something. It must be about learning than winning. But most of the development in nowadays, they want to make sure that they win a game, win a match, and want to win that cup. We are going for it. That cup, we are going for it. We want to win it. So that's the problem. And secondly, Shamase, the only thing that we must not also forget about it, abazali, they also play a vital role. But abazali, you know what the question they will ask him, or whenever I figure kai. Yes. But the problem is that did you guys have fun? Did you enjoy today? Akuba ma question of family kubazali so that the pressure can be taken out from ingane. That's where we starting this thing of saying that burnout iqalwa ekhaya, sometimes iqalwa aba coach yonke into. So in order for my question to be answered correctly, is that we played so many little games, we had so much of us, we only played once on a Sunday or Saturday once. There were not so many tournaments as well. So now you need to manipulate the situation with there are so many tournaments. How do you rest your players so that the love doesn't burn out?
Okay, isikhathi vela ifan obviously.
Yes.
So yeah, the inflection and everything nama changes. Enzile ke bazali, don't put pressure on the kids. Lokho nibabuza ukuthi niwine ngoba ngibonile Sundowns shaya abantu ngo5 bani ba.
Those are professional.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
Sakhuluma ngepressure. I know isikhathi asifani but shouting and pressure loyo nto uke way experience during your playing times usadlala ibhola either professionally or before
yeah, no, not necessarily. I think, as I'm saying, that there you were allowed to do mistakes because bengekho lento ukuwina ama game kangaka. There you could express yourself, you could know that I was a dribbler man, dribble man. But ngicabanga khona umbuzo uzowubuza omunye ukuthi where did I see my decline, yabo? So iyona inkinga leyo. So for me that what happened. So kuthina nje it was not about ukuthi ene thina besi more of playing on our own. So shouting ibingafiki kakhulu ngoba besikwazi ngalesa sikhathi kade ku more about ukwenze lento okwazi ukuyenza.
Yeah, I'm sure no, it's clear. What's next? What is my next question? I guess sikhuluma ngo Super Cup, more tournaments ayengekho during your times, of which now mhlambe may be a bit of challenge in terms of resting players and stuff. Sibona ngathi manje kunokudonsiswana between trophies over fun. It's more utheni konto kwa mention earlier what it's more it's business than having fun. As kids, when did it become about the cup, not the fun?
It became about the cup, not the fun. When the modern football ungena, everyone wants ingane to win. Abasafuna ukubona ismile. Sebethi ene uma ingane yangawina ngakolo kwangawinwa sekungathi ene ingane zenza iphutha. Obheka Shamas, we've got a tendency wrong whereby ubona ukuthi lezo ngane zisuke zempela uthwena lezi ngane why zikhala uma zidliwe. Are they also being taught on how to lose? Because that's another teaching that you must go on ukuthi you must know that in football we've got 3 results. So once you start crying at udliwe, it's a problem. So that's why I'm saying that we must be very much aware that these kids are not professionals. They are not really professionals. They are still kids. They are still developing. So we must make sure that we develop them mentally and also send the show ukuthi aluphela uthando ukubona le bhola.
Yeah, no, it's very enlightening and development. Snika more clarity ukuthi how we need to develop these kids ngoba there are challenges nayo. I remember the other day khuluma izinto private when Msholozi was busy preparing indaba yePinetown Super Cup and we noticed ukuthi a lot of under 17s and 18s are not present as yet. So ngathi yonke into esikhuluma ithinta yona leyo ukuthi masuna 16 ya decline in terms of
yes, I think now coach they will be aware what's the situation. Why are these boys not loving the game anymore? It's because of us, it's because of parents, it's because of the pressure that they've been put on. Hayi sebena 16 Shamas ungangizwa kahle. Bafakwe le pressure at the age of 11 and 12 and 13. By the time befika ku16 they are already burn out. Sebethi mina ibhola ngiyadlala nje kodwa I'm no longer interested because kade kupushwa kakhulu lama winning. By the time esena 16 sengasenzeki then it's quick to say no mina I'm no longer playing this sport ngoba there was no fun that was happening. Bekuba ne fun me winile kuphela or when he does the good thing but the bad things were not uploaded or lifted up ukuthi kufanele akhule ngalendlela. So that's why we saw ubona decline iqala ku16 because they were burn out even before befika ku16. So by the time befika ku16 already umuntu said I've made up my mind, I'm no longer going to play soccer. Abangibuze namanje coach, how many players do you have a training abanalo umnyaka? Uyobona ukuthi ngempela we've got this challenge but bese ignore abanye abayiboni namanje. I think this topic will really assist abantu and they must comment on them as well.
Sholozo salapho mhlambe ukucebisa ama clubs. What is the role of clubs? What they need to do their structure right in terms of ukuthi aduke wabeka ama examples before ngisho ukuthi kona kuyi duplicate kodwa manje sengifuna ipoint libe clear in terms of ukuthi mase kwama exam ingane akumele zize kakhulu kuma training sessions.
Yes. The most important part is to have a structure as a club and have a program that you follow and make sure that that program is implemented and it's assisting both parents and also kids. It's very vital.
Okay. Sholos mhlambe sesiya ngasemaphethelweni for now. Ake singene ekuthenini ke it's a new month next month. What about the Shadow Nights that is always happening at Spare? Can you give us an update on that one?
Okay, Shadow Nights firstly is where we call parents to come and celebrate their birthday with us and make sure that they come with their kids so that we socialize and talk and make sure that we understand and know each other. That is the culture of Israel. But then going forward, we said now we want to cluster them into 3 months period where they will go on January, February, March, for example. All those people that have been born on that month, in those months, they will then cater when the school holidays are coming to a stop. Then Sibene Shadow Nights where everyone will be free to come and join with their families and friends and everyone. So that's what it is. So now we're looking at when's our final Shadow Night in September. So the date will be announced and going out, and make sure that you're part of it, and everyone that is associated with Isicelo Sports, with our cards and everything, make sure you utilize the cards because the cards are important. They give you discount based on Isicelo Sports initiative yokuthi our parents must also be taken care of. So lelo card le family utilize that card, and the family fike kaqala nanjalo will be rewarded, and that one is an honest truth.
Okay, thank you so much Msholozi. Mhlambe masibuyela kwiPinetown Super Cup as the founder and the leading leader yayo. Zonke lezi zinto sesikhulumile in summary. How are we looking to upgrade noma ukulungisa noma ukulead by example on the tips that we gave other coaches in my platform wabo, especially njalo izinto sike sibone ko World Cup kuno water break nani in between?
Yeah, that's why we saying when we restructure a training yet, we always want to make sure that there are so many water breaks.
Okay.
So even the Super Cup will be like that. There will be so many water breaks, and also ingane zizodlala a limited time. We're not killing the time ingane, but they will play a limited time. So that's what we're gonna do with Super Cup, like we've done in the years before. But this time around as well, we'll also increase more on more water breaks.
How can we protect the love first? Mhlambe sikhulume nge long term thinking. Your final word, coach, on that one.
There is nothing much Shama said that we need to do ukuthi si protect uthando. How we can protect uthando is whereby we make sure that kids are treated like kids. They are not professionals. They must be treated in that manner, and they must always have fun and willing to learn, and they must not be shouted at when they are trying some new things. We must make sure that they are proper developed mentally and physically. But into ebaluleke kakhulu ukuthi baphume bene smile. Mawubuza umuntu ukuthi did you enjoy today, umbone with a smile, then we will be knowing ukuthi we start to developing the love that they have to even increase it more, so that they grow and understanding ukuthi ibhola is also about fun and enjoyment before you win. I-win ingapreparewa manje, kodwa i-win i-prepare ukuthi by the time they are 18 years old, they then now know ukuthi it's important to win match and cups, but not at the early age of their development. Ikona lokho kosiza ukuthi uthanda ingane zingalahli, zikhontiwe njalo nokuthanda ibhola nesport in general.
Msholozi, no, usuyishilo. Ngicabanga futhi ukufaka under the bus right now, and it's not about development, it's a professional football, but lento esikhulumayo ngiyayibona yenzeka nalapha ya, but ngifuna ukuthola uvo lwakho ukuthi uyibuka kanjani. We have Umbuthuma lapha on Pirates. He's been getting game time like back to back.
Yes.
Sike sakhuluma nge-pressure la on our topics.
Yes.
How do you analyze indaba kaMbuthuma no coach and trying to put pressure on him ukuthi as a striker kumele enze into right?
I would say these things zinzima to explain as a human being. We must also learn that Mbuthuma is also human.
Yeah.
Before he is a professional player, but he's also human.
Yeah.
So I believe that the most important part that Pirate or anyone that is associated to Mbuthuma must do, his ability to play football is no doubt. He's an excellent footballer.
Yes.
But the only problem is that what is it that is missing? He's missing on how to score goals. Sometimes you can go on your own and finish. But he just needs someone that will only talk to him on that. When you go to a game situation, just enjoy first. Forget about scoring. Go out and enjoy playing football, something that you love. That is what is missing in his game. He must only enjoy.
He's not enjoying.
He's putting himself under pressure because he's listening to many voices.
Exactly.
He just need to go out there and say, I want to make myself proud. I want to enjoy this game. Then you'll see him. Will start scoring goals. I'm telling you.
Thank you so much, Coach. Bengifuna nje iperspective ehlukile guys because sike sibuka izinto lapha yasilabalandeli sicathi so coach and put the pressure on them kids because usawumntwana naye regardless ukuthi udlala professional football.
Yes.
Uphuma kubona labo 18 esikhuluma ngawo.
Yes.
These declines. Nomsholos, this topic is wide. Guys, please comment and don't forget to follow us and subscribe kuwona wonke ama social media. It's Take2 TV. Siphinde silandele isicelo Sports Skills Development ne Pinetown Super Cup inalo ipage layo. Kona nizothola ama updates. Mhlambe ke sesingenile kuleli professional ibhola Msholos. How do you look things? How do you see things currently? A few games played, we league 4 if I'm not mistaken. The graph is still early, I know, but what is your perspective?
I think it will be a very interesting league. I foresee 4 teams or 5 contesting for the league title, and I believe that one of those teams will be Kaizer Chiefs. As much as they drew yesterday, but I felt they are starting to dominance. The only missing link with Kaizer Chiefs will be to try and get that particular person to play their role, number 9. I know they are playing mostly with the false 9, but I feel like they need that particular person. Maybe in second half if they don't want to start with him, but they need that person that will come in and be that number 9. I think their puzzle will be complete once that has been done. It will be really nice to see Kaizer Chiefs once again coming up and dominating like they used to, or maybe try and make sure that they are there as well in numbers to be counted. So I believe we see Pirates is introducing most of the youngsters and they are capable and they are trying to fill in the gaps that have been left by players that have left. But I believe Sundowns is still have an age kodwa sure kuzoba iligi ezoba mnandi kakhulu ngoba you can see even now the goals have been scored and we were sure that kukhona ucoach kodwa ozohamba kungekudala.
You heard it from Msholozi Sicelo Zuma, our legendary. No, siyabonga kakhulu Msholozi. Sesivala ake swelele kule ye second leg ye MTN 8.
I believe Arrows we will be able ukuthi bangaqhubeki kwe last le group. Sundowns will come to Durban and dominate. Pirates, they will also dominate. I don't see Skukune coming back. It can be a 1-1 draw, but I believe that Pirates will be able ukuthi baqhubeke baye phambili.
Okay guys, ngeke sinikeze lokho ama predictions. Sinikeze ama predictions but inikhumbule ukuthi mangabe nibheja nibe neminyaka le qualifyayo ukuthi ube njalo and uyicabangele. Msholozi khona mhlawumbe okusalayo office uku-advertiser any upcoming program soon.
Yeah, 31 November I mean 31 October 2026 Pinetown Super Cup Junior yenzeke Christianburg. They not to forget mhla ka1 iyophela ngomhla ka1. And also we like to thank uSpares always for the host and basinika indawo. We want to thank them Spare Pinecrest nase Sandy Center. Make sure that you make your way there. Bas supporta kakhulu and make sure that you part of the family. Siyabonga.
No, siyabonga kakhulu Msholozi. Guys, nifike kwimanje sisakazela bukhoma la ePinecrest. So sisakaza njalo ekseni. So njengamanje kudliwa ibreakfast. Manifuna ukusibona ningasondela. Ibreakfast yakhona it's 62 rands. If une card lesicelo le family lama point izothola u10% discount. Nilisebenzise lelo card guys. For me I'm signing out. Sizosibonana next week. Kule topic isazodiga deeper guys. Msholozi, siyabonga.
Siyabonga.